Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I am Dr. Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information, and this is episode number 150. And in this episode I will talk about the mobile literacy. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes and PowerPoint presentation of this lecture mentioned link in this video description. In this video I will talk about the 5 important points about the mobile literacy. Number 1, what is mobile literacy? Number 2, what are the key competency of mobile literacy? Number 3, what are the key characteristics of mobile literacy? Number 4, what is the importance of mobile literacy? And number 5, where can learner learn free mobile literacy courses? Now come to the point number 1. What is mobile literacy? As per UNESCO 2013, mobile literacy definition is the ability to access, understand and use information through mobile technology effectively and efficiently in different contexts, including education, communication and participation in society, is called mobile literacy. Example: Number 1, install and evaluate useful apps. Number 2, search for academic and health information critically on their mobile devices. Number 3, communicate professionally via mobile platforms. Number 4, protect his or her mobile phone privacy and data security and cyber attacks of viruses and bugs. Number 5, use mobile phone tools to learn new skills or manage daily tasks like online transactions, payment of bills, messaging, emails and etc. Point number 2, what are the key competency of mobile literacy? Number 1, technical proficiency. Mobile literate person can operate mobile devices and apps. Number 2, information and media skills. Finding, evaluate and sharing the content. Number 3, communication competency. Interacting ethically and effectively with mobile network, friends, families, peers and subordinates. Number 4, learning and productive use. Leveraging mobile tools for education or professional tasks as well as entertainment. Number 5, safety and ethics. Understanding the digital rights, responsibility, data security and privacy. Point number 3, what are the key characteristics of mobile literacy? Number 1, navigating and managing the mobile application effectively. Number 2, accessing and evaluating digital information critically. Number 3, communicating responsibly via mobile platforms. Number 4, protecting their privacy and data. Number 5, use mobile phone for learning and creativity and problem solving. Point number 4, what is the importance of mobile literacy? Number 1, effective use of mobile phone can save over time, spread or extend over communication network. Number 2, security and protect of mobile phone. There are so many frauds are being done through the mobile phones and apps, so mobile literate person can avoid and reduce the risk of and protecting their mobile devices for such frauds. Number 3, installation of mobile phones and app. A mobile literate person install the mobile phones and app their phone easy way and they done their tasks from anywhere like home, office or traveling. Number 4, advanced usage and save from the mobile fraud. A mobile literate person can save from different types of fraud like cyber security, cyber attack, mobile hacking and avoid unknown message and calls. Number 5, health issues. Mobile apps are useful for help in their health, like walking, health hazards, and checking of diabetics, blood pressure, and different apps regarding the health of individual. So due to this 5 reason mobile literacy is important for all of us. Point number 5, where can students learn free mobile literacy courses? Individual and students can learn free mobile literacy courses in the platform like number 1 Google Premier, number 2 Udemy, number 3 Khan Academy, number 4 Coursera, and number 5th Lendy.com, and number 6 Duolingo. So these are the platform where students can learn free mobile technology courses regarding the app development and different latest courses, apps and programming related to the mobile network. Without educate mobile literacy skill, individuals are vulnerable to security threats such as hacking, data breach, and here I conclude the episode number 150. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching 5 minutes information and this video till end. I will back soon with another informative episode.